Hey everybody, so I have one last video I'm going to show you today, and that is, hold on a minute, let me change, how I make collagen coffee. If you've ever heard of it before, it's called collagen coffee. So I just use my instant coffee. Okay, and I put in a teaspoon of my Great Lakes collagen. Some of my boiling water. I only add about halfway. Then I use this Aero Latte. It works amazing. Watch. Whoops. And it makes a froth. It makes it nice and frothy, like it's amazing. And the coffee tastes delicious. Nice and frothy on top. And then I just top it off with the rest of the water. And I add a little stevia. It's gonna be, and there you have it. This is my keto coffee with collagen. So I don't know if you've ever had it before, but it's absolutely delicious, out of this world. Oh my God. I love it.